Alright, let's try this again. Never works the first time. Here we go. Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna play a game called Shadow Fight 2. Liked this game for a long time now.
Once I was a great, invincible warrior.
I think the storyline that they provide is kind of, two-dimensional, derivative. That looks pretty cool. I'm gonna check that out. New game in the Shadow Fight universe. Download now. We will later. Oh, there's a thingy. Hey, what's this? Keys have been restored. Full stock. Forward to the new victories. Whoa. 444. Back to the map, back to the tournament, back to the journey. Love the art in this game. This mobile game has kept me entertained for years, as I say. The art on the map in the background, the traditional kind of look with Japanese art as often is. Large areas of not too much going on, but the color palette and subject is so relaxing and nice. And what I really like is how now you can go ahead and enter one of these things. Let's go for a duel. And on this channel, this content is just going to be me playing this game. Hitting the vape. Getting some close combat in there. My clubs are good. Oh. Getting a little beat down. Coming in with the reactionary fighting. Having a celebratory vape, a celebratory strike. I'm trying to throw this guy. Ah! Absolutely clobbered by that combo. Oh, that drives the blood red angry. Wah. Wah. Come on, mate. You can't dodge all these moves. Ooh. Well, but you sure can fight with no weapons. Oh boy. Oh boy. Latest addition to the game is that retry button. and just get stuck into game after game until you run out of lives. It's the beautiful slow-mo that they do. The intensity rises as Shadow fights Madman. Going low. Oh, go, stay low. Oh. Holy jeez, Madman is no joke. Survival, get some coins and upgrade. Classic fighting rules apply. Remember, if you like this content, subscribe, comment what you like, what you don't like, if you like it. Because then I'll know to continue to do this. I need some coins. I need some coins. Ooh. Be careful, this far up. Dude with two daggers. He is not here to play games. Not, unlike me. Come on and combo this guy down. Ah. Alright. He was a bit sneaky. Bit of a sneaky player. Bit of a sneaky fighter, that guy. But let's go back. Duh. Yeah. Go. Come on. Oh! Whoa! Yeah. Alright, let's go back. What can we buy to make us stronger? Upgrade the helm. Upgrade the helm out of this helm. How many lives? 52 seconds. I'm gonna wait the clock out, and get a free life. Get a life. Get a life. Well, no, as soon as that life comes in, you're gonna want to play. Grab that. Right. Let's see. Duel is locked. Yeah. 232 out of 355. How do I... redo our dude over here? Slash and bammer. That was the slash and bammer move. Die Hard Fighter. Go and grab this. Coin. Ooh la la. 282 to 355 out of 355. Win a fight on hard difficulty level. Didn't know I was playing on hard difficulty level. Fight on insane difficulty level. Right. Do I have... Oh, what do you